Hello students, today we are going to do the exercise 1.3. In the first part there is given multiple choice question. Now see, in the first one it is given in A 28524, 5 is at which place, means you have to write the places. As we already done about the places, 4 is at the 1's place, 2 is at the 10th place and 5 is at the 100th place. So here first option is 10th place, second option is 100 place and third option is 1000 place. So B is the right answer, 100 place. Now in the second sum, in 33429 the underlined digit is at, means you have to find the place of the underlined digit. Now see, here underlined digit is 3, so 9 is at the 1's place, 2 is at the 10th place, 4 is at the 100 place and this 3 is at the 1000 place. So here B is the right answer. Okay, 1000 place. Now in the second part you have to write the numerals, means you have to write this word form in the number form. Understood? Now see, first one sum is given 25,006. First sum is 25,006. As we already done, firstly we write the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Now see, these are the places, but now we group these places into periods. Now see, ones, tens, 100 come under ones period, 1000, 10,000 places come under 1000 period, 1 lakh come under lakh period. These are the periods and these are the places. We keep these places under periods because whenever we have to write the large one number, we don't find any difficulty. So see, here given 25,006. Now 25,000 means 25 is under 1000 period, means here written 2 5 25,006. Now here written 0 0 and 6 at 1's place. Okay, now see other sum. See to the third sum, 1 lakh. Now in third one, here is given 1 lakh. Now see the lakh period. Here come 1 and all at other places 0 came. Means 1 2 3 4 5 0 came in 1 lakh. And other sum you will do in the same way. Okay. Now see, in the third, write the places of the 1000 period. You have to write the places of the 1000 period. We have done here, this is the period of 1000 and the places of 1000 is 10,000 and 1000. So means here the places of 1000 period are 10,000 and 1000. 10,000 comma 1000. These are the places of 1000 period. Understood? Now see, in fourth one, write the places of the ones period. You have to write the places of ones period. Now here see, in the ones period, ones, tens, 100 are the places. So in fourth one, answer is ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100 are the places of ones period. Now see fifth one, In the fifth one, you have to write the period and place for the underlined bold digit. Here is, in the first sum, 40528 is given, and you have to write the period and place for the 5 digit which is underlined. Now see, here it is given in the fifth one, first sum, 40528 which is underlined, 40528, and 5 is underlined, and you have to write the place and period. First you write the place. Now see, 8 is at the ones place, 2 is at the tens place, and 5 is at the 100 place, means 5 is at the 100 place. And period, as we know, 100 place is under the which period? Ones period. Ones period, here is 100 place and it come under the ones period, so its period is ones. Now see one more example, one more sum, 44108. Here 8 is underlined bold digit. You have to write the period and place. 44108. Which one? Third one. 44108, and 8 is underlined. You have to write the place and the period. Now see, 8 is at which place? Ones place. Period. Now as we know, ones place is come under the ones period, so period is also ones. Another sum you will do in the same way. Thanks.